Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS in Sydney. It's James here. How are you today? In this video, I'd like to share the work that we already finished in the LEXUS RX350 2011 model, and this one came with the factory screen before. Now it is with a premium setup, 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto running at the best. And I really say running at the best because it turned on wireless CarPlay in 8 seconds. No joke, 8 seconds, no joke. And turn the car on, 8 seconds, you see the phone on that screen like that. Very simple. The same thing happened with Android Auto as well. That's amazingly fast. Now talking about the system here, it is fully integrated into the car, keeping all the AM, FM, CD player over here like factory, and keeping all the factory map menu and also accessible factory system information like it was. It combine and run parallel the new system of the air conditioner control, climate control on the new screen like this. You see that you can control it from here, and also it will help you to control it from the screen as well. Okay, and of course it will help you to control all of those systems together. Now if you want to access the factory setup before, simply you can touch the screen here and then go here and then you go here, and you see that the factory screen is there. Just only two touch and you will see the factory screen, and you will see the factory setup, and you can control over here, control this one like it was before, and you see everything over here. Get the mouse moving, get the menu, and get into the climate control and press enter and you go in. So that's the factory still working like that, and combined with the new system. Is that cool? Is that good enough? I think it will be cool to show off something like this. You will come back to the factory system sometime, but definitely you don't want to stay on the factory setup too long, because the new system, basically the new system is already too good to run. Okay, and it has everything over here. So yeah, that's all about, and the sound system is really good as well. What else we expect here? We expect that the premium system running like a rocket, very fast, and it really very fast and very stable. The last thing I want to point out is it combined with the factory reverse camera nicely, and it turn on and off very quickly with the gear stick movement, and come back to Apple CarPlay screen again. That's all the best that we want to have in the LEXUS RX350. So thanks again for watching, and looking to see you on the next one.